What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a totally different video for you guys. I'm here at a friend's house and they just bought a 21-foot Yamaha Jetboat. So they didn't have no idea about what boating is, but they bought the boat and now they called me so I can go out with them and kind of show them the ropes. And not only that, see the performance on the boat and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys the boat real quick and we're going to get out to the water. There she is, an Ar210 basically, or 210, or how we say 210. So there she is. She has dual engines and the new rudder system for better driving. I already put in the plug. I was making sure their straps are on. But yeah, man, this is what I'm gonna spend today on. It's rated for 10 people, but we're only gonna have a crew of 5 today. But we're gonna see how this thing handles. But most importantly, we're gonna teach them the right way, since they're new boaters. They don't know anything about boating whatsoever, but they see my videos, you know, and they want to live that lifestyle. So this is really the best entry-level boat that you can get to start with. I don't know how much they paid. I know out the door they were like in the 60,000 range with trailer and everything, of course. But yeah, I'm excited. The weather, they said, it's gonna start picking up. So you guys see over there, it's nice and blue. That's what we're gonna be dealing with, not with this storm that's passing by. But I'm super excited today because, like I said, I've never rode this boat before. I'm gonna be probably driving it and making sure the kids have a good time for their first experience. So I'm gonna get back with you guys when we get to the ramp. Se está usando mucho los yates de rentar. La gente se compra un yatecito como ese, le cobran a la gente 2,000 pesos al día por salir. Port of Miami. These little boats, they're pretty good. They're nice and nimble. They feel like jet skis. But the only thing I would say is they're a little loud. They sound really loud. So when you have the music, you have to put the music really up so you don't hear the actual motors. But other than that, you guys see a beautiful cloudy day here in Miami. It's literally a week away from Halloween and we're out here getting to do these things. Alrighty, we're passing here the famous Bayside. It's the Port of Miami, which by the looks of it, super active. So I don't know what the heck is going on with the shipments, but there's boats coming in and out, that's for sure. It's beautiful, guys. As many times as I go through here, I don't get tired of seeing this. So now we're gonna go under the Port of Miami. I'm gonna take them to the Flagler beach now. We got the thriller boat coming out. If you guys haven't been to Miami or the Bayside, I encourage you guys to take the thriller. It's super fun, it's fast boat. Baja para que pase. No, estás en neutro ya, parate. Ya, acelera de nuevo. Y ahora mira, estás de lado. Just for reference, guys, they just finished the dock, so that means that the north and south through here, through the Port of Miami, is open again. It was closed off where they were only letting people go north, not south. They were making you go around the port. Hey guys, so the police informed us that all southbound for the next 2 weeks is completely closed. So if you're coming north, you're good. But if you're going south, you have to go all the way around the other side. You know, that's why they're letting so many boats here, because I've never seen so many boats here. But I guess Voyagers got their new terminal, so I guess they're all done. I don't know why they were doing all this stuff here. I guess digging up all the dirt so it's deep enough for the boats to park here. But there go the AAA. My Heat lost yesterday, but we're gonna win this year. Watch, I have a feeling. It's looking good. So I'm gonna catch you guys up now. Alright guys, we made it here to Flagler Island. It's nice and early, but it's still pretty packed. Got a tour boat coming in right now. But yeah, man, these little boats, they're nice. I mean, not my cup of tea, but to come out here and to have a great time, it did great. The family loves it so far, even though they're a little scared, a little spooked. But we're here, guys. We made it. It's one of my favorite islands down here. So got the tourist boat getting here, full of people. Somebody lost a piece of dock. But yeah, man, today really is just woof. Y'all saw it? I almost fucking took my head off. But yeah, let me switch it up and do it a little bit in Spanish now. Prácticamente ellos acaban de comprar el bote, no saben nada de botes, nunca han tenido bote, nunca han dado una vuelta en Miami en bote. So ellos me llamaron a mí porque tenemos un familiar en común que trabaja con ella. So, entonces me dijeron, oye Ariel, compramos este bote, de verdad no sabemos nada de bote, queremos sacarlo, pero tenemos miedo de sacarlo nosotros solos. So, por favor, ¿tú crees que tú puedes venir con nosotros y enseñarnos? Y yo, claro que sí. Y más que vienen con niños, los traje aquí a esta islita, que es una de mis favoritas, donde traigo mis propios hijos, para que ellos la pasen bien. Ahorita les voy a enseñar al niño los monumentos y las cositas para que la pasen bien. Esto es una vida bien rica y quisiera que todo el mundo lo hiciera si tiene la oportunidad. Ellos ven muchos de mis videos y ven, coño, esto es que rico es. Pero cuando tú no conoces, no es lo mismo tú salir en un bote solo con alguien que sepa y te dé unos tips. Mira, ten cuidado cuando cojas el oleaje de los botes, cógelo de frente para que el bote no se te vaya de lado a lado. Cositas así para que aprendan. Pero los traje aquí para pasarla bien antes que llegue ya el frío. Ya la semana que viene hay un frente frío. La estamos pasando aquí bien antes que empiece el frío. Y yo en el agua estoy feliz. Yo, mejor que estar en la casa, estoy en el agua el día entero. Pero aquí estamos. Botecito de lo más bien. Para empezar, resolvió. I've done a video on this, so I'm not going to explain you guys too much, but this is the Flagler Monument. At nighttime, guys, they light this up and you can see everything. I was bringing the kids so they could see it. It goes all the way to the top. as one tourism boat leaves, another one gets here. And that's what it is this whole day. It's been like that. Some leave, some come. And we're probably gonna already head out. It's really their first time. They just wanted to come out here. We don't want to get rained on either. But by the looks of it, more people are coming to party. Somebody's getting married. I stand corrected, guys. The guy in the yellow shirt's asking the owner of the boat, hey, how much you paid for it? I said 60. They actually paid 49. So that's way less. So even more of a budget as your first boat brand new. In a no wake zone, guys. This is not what you want to do. Look at this, another one. Clearly says no wake zone here. And I had a boat all the way over there, the jet skis. Where are the cops at when you need them, huh? Let's see what this guy's excuse is. No wake zone. Nice boat and all that. Kids having fun, bow riding. Does that look like no wake zone?
Alright guys, this is where I end today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Basically, we made it back to the ramp safe and sound, and the boat really didn't use no gas, even though we drove it pretty far. It had still 92% fuel, so that's another plus for the boat. Next week, guys, I got another great video coming, so stay tuned and be safe, guys.